Hey guys, Michael Newrock here. I'm on the dollar yen. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and right here we've got a trend trade. It's an aggressive trend trade. That's because it's a bi-directional market right now. 3 of the higher time frames are pointing up. 3 of the higher time frames are pointing down. But it's looking good overall. It's at a good position of where I'd like to get into the trade. A fast-moving average has crossed over the slow-moving average. Trend follower has changed from red to green, and all my indicators are in play. So all I need to do is click yes for this trade to be entered, and there it is. I've got my stop placed down here. So what I like about this trade, as with all the trades that I take, is small risk, high return. So I'm going to pause the video right now. So let's see how we go with this particular trade. There's plenty of room for movement to the upside, and as soon as I have another update, I'll get back to resume this recording. Okay, I'm back. It's been a little while since entering this trade, about a day, and you can see here that my trade is in profit. I've got 2 open positions currently, sitting on around $1,250. My stops have been automatically adjusted, and we've seen a maximum currently of about 57 pips, sitting on around 50 pips in profit. And you can see here I've got position 1 locked in at 35 and position 2 locked in at 20 pips. Now all my trend management is in place, so once I hit 90 pips, that's currently my target too. I can adjust it if I want to, but at this stage it's set at that. Once that happens, I'll have more profit locking occur. So as soon as I have another update, I will get back to finish this this video. So I'm going to pause it for now. Get back to you shortly. Okay, my first position has been closed out. $441 is what I ended up with on my first position, and you can see the correction on this current bar is pretty dramatic. I've got my other position, my second position, open, currently just sitting on just over $300, and obviously I would have liked this trade to have continued further higher, to at least have locked in my second profit locking targets, but you know, that's the way trading is. So the good news is that I've had profits locked in, and that's vitally important, particularly when you have cases like this, where just, you know, price just goes crazy in one bar, wiping out the last, 10, 15, 20 or more bars. And that's what's happened in this case. Whether well, it doesn't really matter what the reason is, but the technicals have been in there, have been in place since the entry of this trade, and it's still looking good. It still could recover, but at this stage, I've got 1 trade closed and 1 trade open. I'm going to pause the video and see how we go. I'll get back as soon as I have an update. Okay, well, thanks for playing. Just over $690. My first position was taken out, and my second position was taken out, both by this killer correction on this 1 bar. It's still a bi-directional market, but you can see now RSI is dipped under the 50. MACD is looking like it's going down as well, and stochastic is just starting to potentially cross over. So all in all, it's looking as a correction at the very least, but possibly a new move to the downside. So my loyalty is always with the market. In this case, I managed to lock in around $690 in profit, so that's great. Any winning trade is a good trade. Some are big, some are small, but as long as you're making money on a consistent basis, that's what it's all about. So I look forward to sharing my software with you, all the resources that I've put together, the training, the mentorship, the community, and let's make pips together. Let's make money together. So until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.